Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your DS with Reddy, Data Science with Reddy. This is my YouTube channel, so it's completely related to the data science stuffs. And I had created earlier. I had created 3 to 4 playlists end-to-end projects, and the features are in GitHub repository and EDA. So today we are going to discuss about an automated tool, which is which it can build an own, it can do its own pre-processing steps, and it can build a model, it can deploy, even it can deploy your model in AWS cloud service. So what it's nothing but a PyCaret. It's an automated tool. So today we are going to discuss about that one. We are creating another playlist on PyCaret. So please like and subscribe my channel for more data science stories and stuff related to data science. And also this is my Medium blog, and I will show you the Medium blog. And you can visit my Medium blog and read the stories what I have written related to the data science content, which is very quietly helpful for beginners, and how to approach their things and thoughts, to how the what is the difference between a data analyst, data scientist, and a data engineer, and what is the regression concepts. Like these are the stuff I had written, and I had collected these things from a different sources, and I merged those things into a one document, one article, and I had published 14 articles. And I also, please follow me on LinkedIn also for the related stuff. This is my LinkedIn profile. And that's it. And let's dive into the PyCaret section. And this is the PyCaret organization. This it means PyCaret is 2.1 is no available. Earlier we have a 1.0, we have a 1.2, like that we have. So it's very completely, it's an open source library. It's a low code machine learning library for the data scientist. They can use uh, from beginning to scratch, from beginning to end, like a model deployment. It's completely automated. It can deploy your model, it can deploy your API mm, in the AWS cloud service. Just you can give an AWS ID and password to this one, it can deploy. I will show you that how can you deploy, how it's automated your data set, and how it's giving insights from your data, and how it's building. And it can give also the log files, how much time to create took how much time it took to create your model, and how much times to take it tune your parameters of a particular algorithm. So those all things I will show you those things in the next tutorials. This is our first tutorial, introduction to our PyCaret. So this is a page of our PyCaret, and the author of the PyCaret is Moiz Ali. He's written a wonderful code for this PyCaret automated tool. And he took almost 1.5 years to take this PyCaret come into existence. So he started he had created very automated tool for a data scientist. And he's doing working more on PyCaret for a updated versions. He will release soonly on PyCaret tutorials. And let's see how it helpful for it means how the PyCaret is showing what the functions, what the pre-processing, what the modules, what the tutorials are there in this PyCaret. So let's begin with functions. We have initialize steps, getting data and setup environment. And model training is also there. Compare models, create models, tune models. In generally we used to create the model, and then we pick the hyperparameters whatever relevant to that algorithm. So it's completely related, it's completely automated. Just you give the model name, it will automatically tune your parameter, and it will give output to you. And it shows you which parameters it has been used to build your model. So it's completely automated, and I will show you the things how you can do. And I will update you in the next tutorials. Follow these tutorial series for to get familiar with PyCaret. And very thanks to the Moiz Ali sir. And this is model ensembling, and this is ensemble models like random forest, XGBoost, like that. And stacking the models and the blend the models, like that. Model analysis, plat, we can how the model curve is there, ROC AOC curve is there, like that. this is the model deployment, and we can first predict the model, finalize the model, and deploy the model, and save the model. How these functions will work, I will show you. And this is ML flow, and this is a model. Supervised is there, classification, regression, unsupervised clustering, anomaly detection like outliers detection, natural language processing like fake news classification like that, and the association rules, and tutorials is there, beginners and intermediate is there, and these are all things is there. Okay guys, and we'll meet you in the next section, and please follow this tutorial to get familiar with PyCaret. It's very automated tool, and please like and subscribe my channel to get more data science related stuff. Until then, bye bye.